Alright guys, who remembers this beast? She was a good camper. The interior. Clean for an 83, but small. Paid $500 for that. But now I've upgraded. There's the new camper. It's not here yet, but it will be here in a couple days. Just got to get a truck to bring it here. So I'm going to use my dad's pickup because I still haven't bought a pickup yet. But that's the new camper. There's a shot of the inside. Got the stove, microwave, cabinets, sink. There is a shot more of the inside, the bathroom. It's got a couch, a table. They both fold onto a bed. And there's the bedroom. It's got its own bedroom with a curtain to slide. The table that turns into a bed. The couch that turns into a bed. Yep, it's a 1997 Flagstaff, Forest River Flagstaff, 25 footer. And there's the floor layout. It gives you all the dimensions of what it looks like. And I got it for a good deal from a friend, just like I bought my other camper from a friend. I got this for $2,000. Well, more videos to come when it gets home, and thanks for watching. It should be here in a couple days, and I'll make a video for you guys. Take care.